I was leaning by the window, trying to get a glimpse of you. All I could see is that shiny new tattoo. It looked like it had some color, something's hard to read. She brushed right past me, I could read the sky, see the queen. Said you love the Sex Pistols, and I love the Ramones. Say you love the Sex Pistols, yeah, well, I love the Ramones. Said baby, 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 come here. Baby, 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 come here. I was from Detroit, you said you were from East London. I've never been there, but I heard it was the one, dear. I gave you my phone number, you gave me a little peek into what I wish I could have. No words to speak. Said you love the Sex Pistols, but I love the Ramones. Say you love the Sex Pistols, but I love the Ramones. This could never work. This could work. I'll meet you down a record store. That's that guy over there. He seems to know more about the things that matter most. Like the Sex Pistols and the Ramones, of course. Now we fell in love that day near the record store. We had lots to talk about, music and more. Now she just lost her cousin to a drug overdose. What to say. And I just had some things to figure out myself. A lot of things. I'll meet you down the record store. There's that guy over there. He seems to know more about music and life and things and shit. They handed us some records, said wait here, hear this. We got married in the summer, got along alright. She had twins and we were happy, and we began to fight. But love doesn't conquer all, and love doesn't conquer all. Love doesn't conquer all. Sex Pistols, but I love the Ramones. I'll meet you down at the record store. There's that guy over there. Seems to know more about music and life and this and that. I love